Viewee Laptop Study Table 39. Multi-purpose and enough space, this simple computer desk is spacious and versatile. There is enough space for necessary objects such as computers, monitors, printers, keyboards, books, etc. Suitable for study, bedroom, living room, kitchen, children's room, office. Easy to install, we attached a hex key. It can help you solve the trouble of adjusting screws, which will easily install the bezel, tabletop and metal desk legs. For environmental safety, the production line adopts reasonable design, absorbing safe producing technology, acquiring EPA certificate which labeled as TSCA Title VI compliant. Trapezoidal structure. The structure of trapezoidal table leg adopts the principle of triangle mechanics which can stabilize the load. At the same time, the trapezoidal geometric elements are both fashionable and aesthetic. Desk dimension 39.37 x 18.90 x 29.33. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.